Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. In this video, we'll be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 Document Production, May-June 2020, and we'll be looking at the second variant. Okay. Please note that candidate source files has been provided, and we're just going to scroll down. Okay. Please, these instructions are very important. Please go through these instructions before proceeding to any of your examination. It's very important that you go through the instructions. Okay, they are there to guide you. Please, for information's sake, the total marks for this paper is 80, and the numbers of mark or for each question or part questions is shown in bracket. Okay, so let's move on. You have been supplied with the following source files, and all these have been supplied. So task 1, evidence document. Open the file j2 evidence.rtf. So let's open it. It's going to. Okay, so we have it here, and our mail match is there as well. Okay, so let's move on. Save this. Okay, make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Okay, so they didn't tell us it's going to be header or footer, but let's make sure that our candidate, that your name, your center number, candidate number appears on every page of the document. So let's do that. So I'm going to click on insert, click on insert, click on header, 3 columns, my name, center number AN017, candidate number 2023. Save this document to your work area as J220 evidence, followed by your candidate number. For example, J220 evidence followed with your candidate number. So let's do that. Now click on file, click on save as. I'm going to add my candidate number here, or if you're clicking on browse, you can also do that well as here as well. So you have 2023 and it is saved in the software you're using. What document? So this is saved. So this is done. All right. Task 2, document. You are going to edit a report. The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. One paragraph style has been created and applied. Additional paragraph must be created and applied to the report as instructed. Open the file J20 bike pack. So let's open it. J20 bike pack. I have it here. Okay, enable editing. The page is set up to A4 landscape orientation with a 2 cm margin. Do not make any changes to the settings. So leave it that. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software you're using with the file name BP guide. So I'm just going to copy it. Okay, and I'm going to do save it here. Click on file, click on save as, click on browse. I'm going to type this, paste it here, right click and paste, and I'm just going to change it in a Word document, and I'm going to save. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there's evidence of the file type. So let's do that. So right here, I'm just going to, for Windows 11, you can click here and you can navigate here around it, or you can just, you click view, click to details, or you right click, click view, click details, or for Windows 10, click views and click details. Anyone works. In between here, I'm going to double click. Okay, so we have it here. So this obviously this is what they want to see. Okay, so I'm just going to click here and take my snipping tool, or you can take a screenshot, whichever one works for you. I'll click on new. Now you're going to highlight this with the address because obviously they want to see where this file is saved in your system. And I'm going to post this in evidence 1. Done. Okay. Question 2. Remove any preset page breaks in the document. So let's do that. Any preset page break. I'm just going to add it right here. There is a page break. Okay. Okay, just one preset page break. So I'm just going to it shows the paragraph marks and hidden formatting symbols. So I'm just going to do that. Done. So so it's just one page break. Place in the footer. Click on insert, go down to footer, click on 3 columns, automated page number left align. Click on page number here, current position there. Your name, center number, candidate number, right align. AN 017 2023. Make sure that all alignments match the page margin. So let's check. So click on view, click on grid lines to have them here. No other text or placeholders are included in the header or footer area. So let's see how we can take that out. Footers are displayed on all pages. So let's do that. Footers are displayed. Obviously, yes, they are. They are displayed on all pages. So this is done. Create and store the following style, basing each on the default paragraph style. Right? So we're going to create the style. We have the BP subtitle. Copy. So right here under the home, I'm going to click the styles. Click it right here, and the BP title has been created and applied, I think. So I'm just going to click. On the plus. Going to paste it. Now in the font style, we have two kinds of styles: font, the sans serif and the serif. The sans serif is area because it has straight edges. The serif is the times new one because it has little ticks. Okay, in each of the letter. So that is for here. That's why the sans serif is area. Font size is 20. Alignment is right. Enhancement is italics. Line spacing is single. Done. I think we can just do this. Good. Click on normal. Click on this. The next one is so this is done. The BP subhead. Serif, which is Times New Roman. The point is 18. Center, bold and underline. Single, line spacing after is 9. Okay. The BP body. Let's look at the BP body. Sans serif, that's your area. Font size is 11. Alignment, you have justified with a first line indent, justified with a first line indent of 1.5 centimeter. So click on format, click on paragraph, justified. (1.5). First line. So it's justified with a first line. Okay, and there's an indent of what? 1.5 centimeter. So that's what it means. So it's justified with the first line indent of, okay, this one, first line. Okay, I think that's what it means. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's look at it here. Let's go back. Paragraph. Space after is 6 points. Okay. I think we were having issues here. Now they said justified with a first line indent of 1.5. So there is no left margin here. So obviously that was wrong. So take this off. Okay. So this, the first line is going to be of 1.5. So it's the first line that is moving, right? You are indenting the first line by 1.5, not the entire text. Okay, that makes sense. So obviously this was tricky because you're justifying with the first line and you are indenting the first line right here by 1.5 centimeter. So obviously I thought we're just talking about the before text, but then again we're creating columns and the text is being moving. So obviously that is definitely wrong. So obviously we're indenting it. Most of the time Few times they tell you to do that, other times they just tell you to indent it from the left. But since we're talking about the body, so you have to be careful, guys. So when you're talking about house styles, you need to know what they're asking of you. You have to look at what they're talking about, what style that it will be applied on, and you need to know what is required. Very, very important, guys. Okay. Single line. Okay. So I can click OK. So no alignment of justify. So the alignment there is just the justified. The enhancement is none. Okay, the enhancement there is none. Okay, the BP table, click on normal base. Sheriff, that's the Times New Roman, 10 centimeters. Change it to 10. Center, 8 legs. Single, and that's all. So that's done. Place your evidence document, a screenshot to show that this style setting have been defined for the PB body style. Make sure the style is based on the default paragraph style. So let's do that. Right click on the BP body, have a glance through, sans serif 11, and it's justified. Single, okay. Done. This is going to go to evidence 2. Okay, just going to adjust it. So that's done. Display this custom style name as a list in the style manager or organizer. So I'm going to display this custom style name as a list in the style manager organizer while providing screenshot evidence of this list. Okay, and this will be in evidence 3. Click on new. This is going to be in evidence 3. So this is done. The style name BP title has already been created, stored and applied to the text, to the title text. Modify the BP title style so only the following formatting is applied. So under the BP title, I'm going to right click on it, modify, serif, Times New Roman, font size is 34, Alignment is center. Enhancement is bold. Single line. Click on paragraph. Take this off. Click here. Okay, so it's fine. So obviously we have been able to do this. Sorry, bold and italics, not bold and underline, bold and italics. It's very important we pay attention to this. So we have serif 34. Okay. Place your evidence document, a screenshot of this style settings for BP title style. Right click, click on modify, go through it again. Okay, click on modify. It's going to evidence 4. Okay. All right. This is done. Now below the title, add the subtitle produced by. Okay, so we're going to add our name. Okay. Apply the BB's body style to the rest of the document. Okay. Apply the tick course button to the text form. Full course must be completed. So I'm just going to click on editing. Fine. Full course. Okay. To observe local laws. Okay. Now before the marks, make sure that the bullets are indented 1.5 centimeter from the left margin with a hanging indent. So you see that the difference, unlike the other one, is just it has to be justified with a first line by. Okay, so the bullets are indented 1.5 centimeter from the left margin with a hanging indent applied if that text wraps to a second line. So we have the bullets are indented 1.5 centimeter for the left margin with a hanging indent if text applied to second line. The list is in second line spacing with no space between the lines. Okay, so the list is in a single line. Let's check. Single line, and there is 6 point space after the last item. And a 6 point space. Don't go to hit on enter and reduce it like this. Done. Identify the 5 subheadings in the document and apply the BP subhead style to each one. 5. That's 3. Located 3. 4 and 5. Done. Locate the table in the document. Okay. Located. Delete the entire column with the heading time limit. Or to delete the entire column with the heading time limit. Change the page layout so that the subheading racing and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width. Right click, click on insert, sorry, click on layout, column, more column, 2. In 2 column of equal with a 2 centimeter space between the column. Okay. Format the table so that the border and all the data fit within the column width. So we're just going to do it. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. Now I say format the table, the borders and all data fit within the column width. Text in all rows as center aligned vertically. Text in all rows are center vertically. The BB table style is applied to all data. So obviously what we are going to do here is let's adjust it. Okay. Now if we check, click on view. Alright. So they fit within the column width. Okay. There is a 6 point space after the table. Click on home. Going to save it. And so we have been able to look at the 6-point space after the table, and there is no shading. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. No words are split where text is wrapped within the table. That simply means that when we check here, we can see that there are no words splitting or an E coming to the other side. So that's fine. Text in all rows is center aligned vertically. So let's do that. Wow, let's do that. I think we have done that, but let's check. Yes, center aligned vertically. So that has been done. The BB table is style is applied as well. It's applied, and of course the border and data fit within the column grid. Yes, they do. So all this is important for you to go through to ensure that the tables are formatted to that properties. Now sort the data in the table into descending orders of km. Okay, descending orders of km. Okay, descending orders here of km. So we're going to click on sort. That is column 3, and it's going to be descending orders. Done. Nope. Nope. Okay, sort column 3. Done. Okay, so this is descending orders of that, and that's done. Insert a new row as the first row of the table and enter the title popular distance bike parking races. So let's copy it. We're going to insert a new row. Insert, so it's going to be above. Okay, if we are inserting a new row as the first row of the table, and we're entering this title. So let's paste it here. Done. Format the row of the table to be bold. Okay, center align over the 4 columns. Discipline means that if you center align over the 4 columns, they are going to be merged. So let's do that. Click on layout, click on merge cell. Done. Import the image. The image J220 bike.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning conventional cycle touring. So I'm going to search, click on home, click on editing, file, conventional cycle touring. Okay, and place it in the paragraph beginning. So we'll place it here. Okay, so let's import that J220 bikes. Done. Rotate the image 180 degrees. Are they giving us how it's going to look like? Okay, no. So we'll rotate it 180 degrees. So obviously this is going to be a 90. This is going to be an 180. So if we rotate it 90, rotate another 90 again, it's going to be 180. So let's do that. Rotate right 90, rotate again 180. So at the end of it all, we have this as what? 180. Okay, now format the image so that it is resized to a width of 4 centimeters with the aspect ratio maintained. 4 centimeters. Okay, it is aligned to the right of the column. It is aligned toward the right of the column and top of the paragraph starting okay, so it's going to be at the right of the column. Okay, no, done. Right of the column here. Okay, is aligned to the right of the column. So in that column, it is aligned to the right, not to the left. I think the reason why this is because during the first line, we indented it with 1.5. So obviously, the left doesn't work. The right column is the best suitable way to put that image. So okay, the text wraps around the image. Yes, it does. Okay. And this is 4 marks, guys. Spell check and proofread the document. So let's spell check and proofread the document. Okay. Let's spell check and proofread it. So click on review. Let's spell check. As a result, no, I think it's fine. Frame bag, I think this is the best. Setback. I'm just quickly going to go through all of them. So I think we can just let me just do this. I think the frame backs are together and the setbacks are together. I've been able to go through the document to see that they are together. So frame back. So hopefully that's what it is. So so it's important to just use a few minutes, glance through to see some similarities and to know what to do. Okay, so I think I'm done with it. All right. Make sure that the lists and tables are not split over columns or pages. So they are not split over columns. The tables are not split over columns. The lists are not split over columns. Okay, we have I think we can adjust this, but Okay, there are no windows orphans. Obviously there are windows here and orphans here as well. Okay, obviously there's an issue here, and I've been going through the document because okay, I don't need you here. So because obviously this is meant to be here because they said no windows or orphans, and this is an orphan, and it, I try to see as much as possible to see how I can. There are no spaces available, so obviously this has to be here. So I think I'm just going to see what I can do. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. That's fine. That's fine. So obviously what I did, for students, if you're experiencing that, when you're practicing your work, if you're experiencing something like this, probably you could just rewind back to see what I how I did it. I can undo it, and right here, what I did right here, I just had to tap on my enter, and it went towards this side. So obviously that's fine. Okay, so we have this right here. All right. So yes, they are consistent. Um, that's fine by me. Yes, they are. Save the document using the file name used in step 1. Now I've done that, but it doesn't hurt. You know what? It doesn't hurt to just quickly go back to the name just in case. For step 1, we used BP guide, so it doesn't hurt to actually go back to just check, and now we can just save our document, click on file, click on save, and we can print the document. Now make sure your name, center number, account number is set. So, no, let me just done. Okay, let me just okay, so it's fine. So we have our name, center number, account number of report. So we're just going to print this, and this is going to be print out 1. So I'm just making this a print out 1. So I'm going to click on file, click on save, click on file, click on print. Print this to PDF, very important. Nope, this is just going to look for it. This is for 20 20 okay, second variant. Okay, so this is for printer 1. Done. And we are done with this paper. You know, it's been fairly easy, but technical. You know, just you just have to be careful so you don't make out some silly mistakes. I'm just going to open it again so we can just take a look at it to see how well we have done the work. So it's been okay. It's been okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's been fine. I think this brings us to the end of this work. So please, thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IGCSE ICT practical videos. Have a nice day.